Hi guys, welcome to Tony's DIECAST Restores again. Today I'm doing a Matchbox 14D, a 1965 Iso Grifo. It was produced by Iso Grifo of Italy between 1965 and 1974. Intended to compete with Ferrari and Maserati GTs. It utilises a series of American powertrains and components supplied by Chevy and Ford. Introduced by Matchbox in 1968 with regular wheels, it changed to Superfast wheels in 1969. All versions had opening doors. It came in either light or dark metallic blue, and interiors were white or blue. As you can see, this is regular wheels and it's dark metallic blue. Paintwork's not particularly bad, a bit play worn, but not really too bad. So let's get this rivet drilled out. Just using the big drill here, just take the edge off. It varies rivet by rivet. And there it goes. Let's see what the inside is like. Pretty basic, no suspension. Little suspension bar on the front of the interior there. Not so bad condition. Just needs a wash. Tow hooks missing. That's good. Yeah, that's okay. Pretty clean overall. I'll take the doors off. Quite a nice interior detail there. I'll get the spring out with the pair pliers, I think. Let's get the window out first though. Just take the edge off the rivet. That should do. Little press with screwdriver. Oh, that was unexpected. Oh, there it is. Quite good condition. Okay, let's get that spring out now. Pair pliers somewhere. You can also use a screwdriver to get that out. There you go, that came out quite easy. Okay, let's take the wheels off. Bit of drummer work. One axle done, and here's the other one. There we go. Right, it's been through the caustic soda, and now it's shining a little bit. I like this bit when it's all shiny. I've already twirled and tapped the post, and it's got a screw in there already, look. Okay, now the doors. Always a little bit awkward. I was ending up with one fingernail nicely polished. What's that? Another base. Base has got the front grille and headlights built into it. That's pretty much it. No, I'm not finished yet. Okay, I've been trying this new grey primer out. It's cheap, it's from B&M stores, and it goes on pretty well. These are casting lines I'm going to get rid of. That's one along the back. That's one along the front there. That one's not so bad. This side. Bad one there, up there, and along there, and up there a little bit, and again at the front. That one is quite bad, so I'll take those off before I do another prime. Here I am with the diamond file, just to take the thick off, and then I'll rub it with a bit of 1200 grit and dry. That one's got a slight curve on the back of it just to get around that wheel arch. Wash the interior. Bit soapy water there in the background. It won't take much. Got the wheels in there as well. They're all pretty good condition, so they just need a bit of a wash. And there they are. That's those guys done. Okay, this is the doors primed. As you can see, it goes on nice and smooth. Quite nice for a cheap primer. That'll be the other door. And I've already started painting the body the final colour. And it's Chrome X11. Let's see what it looks like. It's done very nicely. Yeah, that's good. And that's the door, also nicely painted. Doesn't really need much. There is some scratches on there, but the hand restorer tends to get fine scratches out. Okay, a little bit of interior detailing, not a lot though. Steering wheel and dashboard, I think that's all I'm going to do. No, I have to say do the handbrake as well. I think the little pimple I've just painted is the gear stick, but it's not very big. Okay, I'm doing the dashboard now. I've speeded this bit up a little bit. Yeah, that's that done. A little bit of detail on the base. As you can see, I painted it black. I'll do the lights, the grille and the bumpers. I filled the tow hook hole in. I don't really know anybody who's going to tow anything with a sports car. Actually, I haven't filled the hole in there yet. I do get round to it eventually. Okay, that's the front done. Now I'm going to do the grille. A little bit Molotov on a cocktail stick, just to rub the surface there. Keep the black background. And I'll put the axles back on the base now. The standard 2 nails method. That's one done. And the other one. That's that. Wheels are on. I'm just going to paint the centres there. Okay, that's that. Bit of assembly now. So put the spring in first, and there it goes. Glass should be next. No, put the doors in next. So the doors going back in. Gotta always be careful you don't chip the paint at this point. That chrome silver's gone on really nicely. I don't know whether it's the grey primer or not, but it's really nice. Is the doors on? Looking good. Ah, here comes the glass. Not a lot to do with that really, just clips straight back onto the rivet. Okay, interior's go back in. Push it down with a paint brush there. Puts it in. A bend on that suspension bar there. Everything's stayed in, that's great. That's the base screwed back on, and that's pretty much it ready. I'll do a little bit of detail on the back though. Tail lights and number plate. I promise I will get it centre of the camera one day. You can almost see what I'm doing. Oh, that's not bad. So, if you remember what it would look like, not particularly bad, a little bit play worn, pretty original, not too dirty, not too bad at all really, probably just needed a wash. So here it is now, sleek and silver, Italian muscle car. I think it looks superb in silver, much better than the blue. Painted the front grille there, the headlights and the number plate, a little bit of interior detail, and on the back there's the tail lights and the black number plate. Very nice. I'm really happy with that. What do you guys think? Stick it in the comments below. So what's coming up next? I've got this Mercury Cougar on the bench. As you can see, it's a bit rough, and I've almost finished it already, so I know what it's going to look like. Keep your eye out for it, because it's a wacky colour. I hope you'll enjoy it. It shouldn't be long before it's out. I'm also working on a shop truck for Deep Junk Garage's Shop Truck Challenge. Anyhow, if you want to send us something, there's the address. That's pretty much it for now. Thanks for watching it. Goodbye.